So we have this thing we talk about on our team, that when we add a new team member, we give them space to culture detox. Because we believe that most people have come out of an environment that has hurt them in some way, or built patterns of behavior in them that don't fit with us. So we want to give them time, lots of attention to move, to be assimilated into our culture. You know, when you are stepping in, right, you're trying to come into a big group and detox.
That's right.
Right?
Yeah.
At once, but it takes time.
It does. It
Right?
does.
It takes intentional relationship building.
Yeah.
Was there any crisis that came up during that time that tried to derail what you were doing?
There were some more on the personnel side. You know, maybe they weren't fully on board with what I was wanting to do, or the vision for the school, and so you know, they were trying maybe to undermine what I was doing sometimes.
Pockets of resistance.
That's exactly right. So so I think that was kind of the big thing there. But just eventually, those who stuck around came around, and they saw, okay, I see what this guy's trying to do. At first, they see, well, why is this guy trying to change things here? But once they see the vision, and I think that's the big piece, is you have to communicate with them. Teachers and people in general, we're resistant to change. But as long as you explain to them why we're having to make these changes, they're going to understand. They still may not like it, but at least they understand, okay, I see why they're doing that. And the same with the community as a whole, like with parents and so forth. When we made changes to the school, like if there was like dress code changes or traffic pattern changes, it always came through a lot of communication first. I never tried to change things overnight.
Okay, no surprises.
No surprises. And get input, feedback, and dialogue with them for a while, and then make the changes. That way everybody sees, okay, I understand why we're making these changes. I may not agree, but at least I understand where we're headed.